know gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
To another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian. And this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you guys know, Dr. Ross and I are currently at the penthouse floor in the Playboy International studio.
Exactly. Filming this live for you as the audience in the Rose and Gold studio, like Black King Sebastian was saying, sponsored by Playboy International.
That's
so get
right.
yourself a bag.
That's right. Get yourself the dollar bills, the checks. Let's get straight into our Bible.
So for the first hot topic in the Bible, we have Kris Jenner turned 65 years old yesterday. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Hopefully you got yourself some Krispy Kremes, Chris. And for Chris, that's for you. Keep on partying and keep on being scandalous.
Exactly. Happy birthday, Chris, because, you know, it's Scorpio season, so keep being scandalous.
That's right. Happy birthday. Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Amber Rose matching with her baby daddy, or as you know, her husband, Alexander Edwards, matching in pink t-shirts. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
Amber Rose, you need to stop with this baby daddy stuff. If you're married, just say husband. Don't say baby daddy. Don't try to be the getter, the bayou, and get that forehead tattoo off.
Well, I think that's what she wants to be. She wants to be down with the swamps. That's why when Kanye West took her from the streets, she's saying that she didn't emerge from there. She doesn't know who Kanye West is. So, if they want to be in the streets, let them stay on the streets.
Who's number 46,853?
Into our next hot topic, we have Chanel West Coast met Lil Wayne after lying her way to his green room.
It's crickets in here. Mute button. Everybody's mouth is zipped shut. No one has anything to say.
Your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, Dr. Ross, you know that's a lie. She's scandalous and she's trying to get in there with the Lil Wayne.
Exactly.
Because you already know, when she gets in there, she's already opened up a whole other world to producers, writers, and everything.
Exactly.
But for her, you can't hate the player, hate the game.
I mean, the only N-word that we drop on a daily basis in my house is
nice.
Wayne's gonna act like there's tons of girls coming after him, even though there probably is tons of girls, because, you know, Lil Wayne's a strong 4'9" with a cheddar that stacks to the ceiling and makes him 7 feet tall. So, you know, that's gonna make the ladies love him.
Wait a minute.
That's right. Let's move straight into our next and final hot topic.
So I do want to mention before we get into this next hot topic, I do want to mention on Scottie Pippen's ex-wife. She has been scandalous lately. She's been running from here and there. What are your thoughts about that, Black King Sebastian?
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
With Larsa Pippen, we know that you're pimpin'. And with the Scottie Pippen, we know that you have your money. But Larsa, we love you. And keep on doing you. Keep on pimping.
Exactly, because not only were you one of our She's Hot winners, which we can't forget about our lovely She's Hot winners, and not only that, we saw your little fitness program that you've been doing recently, or if you've been doing it for a while, and you're training these girls, and you look good on there. I'm just going to tell you right now, Larsa Pimpin, keep doing what you're doing, because you are shaped like a Coca-Cola bottle, and we admire that.
That's right. That's for you. Keep on pimping.
On to our last and final hot topic, we have Miley Cyrus. Now, I don't know why Miley Cyrus felt the urge to come out and say this, but Miley Cyrus recently came through and she said that she's gone through a lot of trauma, but she doesn't spend too much time crying over it. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
With Miley Cyrus, we commend you that you don't go to the news and start crying over this stuff. Because you know, and we know, that that's your personal business. But with Miley Cyrus, keep doing you, stay off the 420, and don't make too many clouds.
The good thing I want to say about this topic is that means Miley Cyrus is about business. And that's what Black King Sebastian and I are about. The guitar playing, the instrument playing, as you can see, our violin and our guitar right there, and the cheddar. So, keep it business and keep it business. Let's go into our horoscope.
Our horoscope for today is Scorpio. You may have superhuman abilities when it comes to focusing on the task at hand, but you also know when it's time to quit. After days of pounding away at a project, it is finally done. You may be tired, but you're ready to move on and concentrate on an entirely different subject. Namely, the person who's been impatiently waiting for you to finish this latest venture and find some time for them. To all of our Scorpios out there, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Scorpios, because it is still Scorpio season right now. As you know, we did say happy birthday to Kris Jenner for her birthday yesterday, but I do want to mention another person's birthday who was today, Willow Smith. Happy birthday, Willow Smith, because that's exactly why we brought these instruments out for you, because you are the instrument lover. Your ex-boyfriend that was, recently with him, we don't know if you're still with him, but he was supposed to teach you how to play the guitar, and we're gonna just say Black King Sebastian can teach you how to play correctly.
That's right, take some lessons. These were all of our hot topics and our horoscope for today, but make sure to stay tuned for the Jamaican clothing line, as well as the shampoo and hair gel.
Exactly.
Remember, if you guys want to purchase some of the shampoo and hair gel, as well as the Jamaican products, just DM us, and Dr. Ross will be uploading the pages for them very soon.
Exactly. And not only that, get ready for our She's Hot winner tomorrow, because it's sponsored by Playboy International, and we know you guys are excited because the votes have been rolling in like crazy.
That's right. So stay tuned for the She's Hot contest. But we'll catch you guys on the next installment. That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
Go get some.
You're gonna do superhero landing. Wait for it.
And for Willow Smith, if we see you in LA too, because we already know Kris and Willow stay in LA, and Black King Sebastian and I will be there this week and the following week, we would like to invite you out to the Polo Lounge itself, or for breakfast or dinner, and we'll blow out the candles for you.
That's right. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. And for Kris, keep doing you and keep being scandalous.
Exactly. On a lower note, we do want to mention that, one of our fellow rappers, DaBaby, his brother, has recently passed away. We don't know the exact circumstances on it, and we don't want to comment too much because, Black King Sebastian and I like to stay positive on this channel, but we do want to mention his passing. But we're going to close it off right here. And we want to say, we're saying our prayers to your family and friends.
And to DaBaby, we want to give our condolences and our hearts and prayers go out to you and your family.
Exactly. Well, these were all of our hot topics. Make sure to stay tuned for the She's Hot contest coming up tomorrow. And not only that, make sure to watch the election and go ahead and vote.
We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and gold.